Hello, it's Davita. Welcome back to Abstract and Flow. Look at all this beautiful natural light I am receiving today in the studio. I'm so happy to be down here. So, today we're going to do you guessed it, a pearl pour. I'm going to do pearl pours. I'm going to throw in a ring pour and I haven't done that in a while, straight pour. So I do a little bit of everything. But today we're doing a pearl pour. And I need to give a big old shout out to Carol. Carol gifted me some paint from Hippie Crafter. I mean, a lot. You all are fantastic. And that's why I do what I do. So, Carol said, I know you're going to create something wonderful. It ain't up to me. It's up to the paint. But I'm going to try. So I'm going to get the canvas covered and pan you down. And we're going to get this pour started. Here we go. So the colors I'm using today, and I'm going to layer them in a cup. So we have aquamarine blue, very thin consistency. We have, this is Hippie Crafter orange yellow. All of it paints. You know, I did a test tile straight out the bottle. That didn't work. So I did my regular mix of 1:1 with Liquitex pouring medium. I'm also using their metallic gold. And let me show you the gold pearled up. Not as nicely as the sapphire, which I'm also using. This is their metallic sapphire blue. And that pearled up nicely. So, and I think I have another color. Emerald green. Here's the emerald green. So like I was saying, it did not react at all straight out the bottle. I had to mix it, even though it's a pre-mixed paint. I guess for other techniques it would work, but for this technique, it did not work straight out the bottle. My base is my normal recipe using bare satin enamels and acrylic flow white. So we're going to layer the cup, do a little pour, see what happens. And I think I want to start with the gold. And this is the sapphire metallic emerald green. Sorry, I'm not even showing you, am I? This is the aquamarine. Let's go back to the gold. And then the, what did I say, yellow orange. And, okay, some more green. A little bit of gold. Blue. Orange. Blue. Oh my goodness. Blue. And green. Now I have no idea how this is going to turn out. Because I don't normally do this many colors. But we will, got our fingers crossed, we're going to see what's going to happen. Here we go. Alrighty, let's torch that. See, we got some shadowing going on. That's a good thing, right? Gonna pop on my gloves. And what I'm thinking of doing is getting most of the canvas covered with the paint, the paint here, and we're hoping to have a little bit of color, lots of pearls, and not too much negative space. That is the idea. So we'll see. Here we go. Like I said, the paint does what the paint wants to do. And this one sunk so much that I've basically lost all the colors. But I think it'll show back up once I spread it. And I need to stop soon before my pearls get all wonky looking. Alright. I don't know what this is, but we need to remove that. That is for you, Miss Carol. A hand clap for your generous gift. And look what we created. And I say we because without you, we wouldn't have this. It purled up very nicely. Now, I was hoping for this area to stay solid, but as you can see, it did not. And we even got a little bit more action down in this corner. Now, what I need to do is check my table leveling, because it looks like it's kind of moving that way, but that's all right. I really like the way this showed up. Oh my goodness. I'm telling you, this pearl thing, you just never know. You never know what you're going to get. Sometimes you get something spectacular. So, that's it. That's the pearl pour using Hippie Craft paints that needed a little bit of adjustment because they do not work straight out the bottom for this technique. I'm happy with it. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for tuning in today. I'm loving my new studio. I'm loving this natural light. I'm loving you. Stay blessed. Stay safe. See you next pour. It's my queenly wave. See you next pour. Bye-bye.